Hello, everybody. No, you're not late. I just started. Hello, Cesar. Sorry, I'm late because I had to shower. Also, it was raining really hard at like for an hour, and I did not want to go live while it was like raining loudly. Make sure to share the live, guys. Let me just connect my tablet. But I need to play Duolingo first, unless. Hello, Luna. How are you? You missed the past 3 lives? It's okay, we did the maroon blue book. So today I think we have to do Trigo because we did not continue Trigo last time. So let me just share the live. I mean, share screen the live. How do I share screen the live? Hello, XAST. How do you read that? Hello, Vian. Ate fit ka po maging teacher. Blooming. Thank you, Heso. I feel there is a filter here though. Like I don't know how to take it off. I'm trying to take it off. Like it's making my face too small. It looks weird. I'm not that skinny. I don't know the settings of the. There is a filter. Hello. What is that? Is that a lobster? Thank you for sharing. Just got exam. The G Bros how. Thank you, XOG. Next school year pa ako magte-take. If may TikTok pa next year, tingnan natin. Okay, let me share my screen. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I haven't uploaded the rest. We shall upload the rest soon. Hello, JD. Aalis to Mindanao, Nico? Good luck. That's so crazy. Hi, guys. Make sure to share the live. Let's see. So that we can start. Good luck, Nico. Let me just connect my screen. Did it work? Oh, it worked. Okay. We shall do Trigo today. No, Potato Man, we just started. Hello, everybody. Make sure to share the live while we're here. Yes. 8 days till the UPCAT. Isn't that crazy? We started like so long ago. Let's go to this one. Okay. Let me just rotate my screen. Thank you for sharing the live, Nico. Wag guys sumuko. I mean, it's the last week naman. So, after this, that's when you can start resting, okay? Hello, Jacob. Yes, it's a Friday today, so I was like, oh, we can start later. Hello, Shikimori. Yes, we just started. I feel like people aren't getting notified, or is it because I'm too late? Or is it because this is the format again? When I'm on my phone, yes, 8 days. It's next week, August 10. August 10 and 11. So let's go to the share the screen, pin, crop. Wait. Okay. Let's find the Trigo first. Kinakabahan na para sa inyo. Yes, we are live. You're not late, everybody. You have no time to study? It's a Friday. You have no school tomorrow. Got to start studying today. 90 plus ata yung Trigo. Where is Trigo? Score ko sa science, same. I feel like science would have been my weakness if I took the UPCAT. When Ate Jo is math time na. Hello, odds. Oh, here we go, Trigo. Trigonometry. So we did all of the topics. Now, let's try to answer the questions. Oh, calculus. I don't think we need calculus, guys. Okay? Let's not... Oh, we already answered some pala. Oh, we answered a lot. Okay, we can continue here. Let's see how much we can answer. You're not late, Margs. Everybody's not getting notified. Should I move to my phone? May calculus daw? May example ba dun sa UP Reviewer? Wala akong nahanap din na calculus. Feel ko wala naman. Meron ba last year, Nico? Was there limits? Not sure if we have to learn that. Here, find the limit of x to 4. Limit of x cubed minus 64 and x over x4 minus 256 as x approaches 4. Pre-calc. I feel like wala nga. Hello, everybody. They're not getting notified. Okay, we're just waiting. Hindi nga nag-notif. So make sure to share, guys, so that, sharing is caring. Let's let people get in the live first. Hintayin natin sila, ha? Hindi daw siya nag-notif. How to get the reviewer sent by UP? Nasa email daw siya. Reviewer session for ASET? Kailan ba ASET? October? I'm not sure. I will see. If hindi ako busy. My SEM starts next week, guys. So, if I ghost by next week, my limits, sana wala. Feel ko wala. So, let's skip that, okay? Let's skip limits. Derivative. We also don't need derivative. But derivatives are more fun than limits. Okay. Let's skip those. Test B tayo. Trigonometry test B. No, you're not late. We haven't started. Make sure to share the live, guys. How to review yung sinend ni UP kasi walang answer key. That's real. That's real. I also don't. Eto nga walang answer key. Pero I trust in my instincts. But yes, let me see. Okay. I have the UP reviewer here, but I can't show it. Deliver sine, cosine. Yes, may ganun. Shut up. Saan makita yung mga link ng mga pinapakita nyo? It's in my IG, so it's free there. Yes. Same siya sa nasa reviewer mo? What do you mean same siya? Trust in the heart of the equations. Okay. You tried answering this? Okay. Shall we start? No. Okay. We haven't started. You're not late. Make sure to share the live, guys, because the people aren't getting notified. We are on page 110. Actually, yes. 109. Where can you find the UP reviewer? It's in your email. YouTube? Oh. Anong same siya? For USTET, you can use anything. There is no specific good reviewer for any schools, I feel. What topic? Trigonometry. Where's the trigonometry today? Let me just crop this so that it doesn't look messy. There. Okay. Did you guys see the ADA? Okay, we can start. We haven't started because people aren't getting notified. Okay, guys, let's get it to 12K and then we shall start. This is a Samsung tablet S9. Or if you want, I feel like more people get notified when I use my phone. Should I just use my phone? Is MSA reviewers good? You don't have to buy reviewers, guys. Just use free reviewers. It doesn't matter. Oh, Magic Hexagon? I actually don't know what that is. Who said hi? Hi, chat. Until what time? Maybe 11 today. Lag? Ako ba yung lag? Magagamit ba yung Trigo identities? I think yun. Yun ba yung the hand technique? What's... Oh, the identities, yeah. You need the identities. Those are important. Oh, thank you, Ainsley. Yes, use free reviewers. You don't have to buy MSA, guys. Do you teach calculus? So far, we haven't tried. But there's calculus up here, but I'm scared. But I did pass calculus. I just didn't get an A. Hello, Uriel. Make sure to share the live. Okay, maybe we can start. Oh, we're at 12K now. Okay, let's start. This is very... You're back? Hindi nga daw siya nag-notify, guys. Share the live for the sake of the other people. Okay, let's start. We shall do it slowly. Convert to degrees. Okay, so, what is pi, everybody? Tell me what is pi. That's equal to 180 degrees, right? 180 degrees. What can we do? we can multiply 180 degrees. Good job, Shikimori, and the wave rose, and cheesy na pula. Uy, masarap yung cheesy na pula. Kahit di ako mahilig sa manghang. So, that's multiplying 23 over 12. And we know that 12 and 180 can be divided. No, Shikimori, why did you multiply 180 times 23? Okay, we don't do that here. What do? We cancel out first before multiplying the top. So what can we cancel here? That's equal to 15. Okay, 15 times 23. Good job, cheesy na pula. Yes, 15. What would be 15 times 23? And that would be more than 600. I'm more than 600. I was thinking 20 times 30. I was looking at 2 times 3. Okay, so yes, it is 345. Good job, Shikimori and Mochi and Cheesy na pula. Ulit na wala data. Okay, so again, how do we do this? I'll give another example, okay? How do we do this? So, for example, when you say pi over 2, right? So, when you're changing something, a radians, this is called radians, into decimal, degrees, all you have to do is to know that pi is equal to 180 degrees, okay? So, when you say, for example, pi over 2 radians, what is this in degrees? You just have to change that into 180 over 2 is equal to, yes, ID Hernandez, it's 90 degrees. So, yes, that's how I remember it. Yes, 90. Good job, Kent and Danny. Okay. Thank you for following Mochi and Sawi. If you're new here, please make sure to follow. Also, share the live, guys, so that more people can come in. Okay. Where are we? Okay, let's continue. Unit circle. Okay, we learned the units. Proud parent na si Nico. Okay, do you want another example? Yes, this is an UPCAT reviewer. But this is not the UPCAT reviewer because we're not allowed to show that. Paano naging 15? Okay, so what we did is we divided. When you divide big numbers kasi, you shouldn't multiply to this right away kasi you only have a few seconds, right? No, you're not late. We just started at number 1. Degree to radians. Oh, that is an interesting question. Degree to radians is... Wait lang. Degree to radians. How do we get 90 back into pi over 2? How do we get 90 back into pi over 2? What I would do, wait lang, there's a formula for this, but okay, let's try. What I would do would be to get 90 divided by 180, which is equal to 1/2, and then multiply that by pi. Multiply by pi, which will give you pi over 2. So let's try a different number. Give me a degree. Multiply pi over 180. Oh, that's what I did. I divided by 180 and then multiplied to pi. Okay, so that is the formula. Pi over 180. Pi over 180. 270. Okay, let's try 270 now. How do we turn 270 degrees into radians? So, you have to multiply by pi over 180. We just started cell. Hindi nga siya nagna-note eh. Make sure to share the live, guys. Or should I move to my phone? Because when I go live on my phone, it notifies the people. GCF of 270. Yes, get the GCF. What's the GCF, Lay? What's the GCF of this? It's 90. Okay? We divided both by 90. That will get you 3. And this will be 2. So that's equal to 3 pi over 2. Yes, Shikimori. Bye. Nico, is that Olympics or no? No, it's fine. Mas okay sa una. Ano mas okay sa una? How po naging A yung answer? Okay, let's do that again. To convert degrees to radians, radians to degrees, you have to do 23 over 12 pi, and then change pi into 180, okay? How do we change pi into 180? You just substitute. So, multiply by 180. Now, how do we multiply this? You didn't pass Pisay? It's okay. Pisay didn't deserve you. Saan po nanggaling si 270? Example lang yun. That's just an example. Why 180? It's a formula, okay? It's a formula. You just have to multiply it and then divide by 12 both. Yes, we divide both of this by 12 because it's divisible by 12. Yes, Danny. So 180 is divisible by 12. So i-divide muna natin siya. 12 divided by 12 is 1 and 180 divided by 12 is 15. Yes, it's redirecting, Aram said. Just because you didn't get into one school. So 15 times 23 is all you have to do left. Okay? So, yes. Magta-take po kayo ng UPCAT? No? I am in college. Wala pa man. Hoy, kaka-start lang natin, guys. Gets ko na. Di pa sa akin ang UP. No, ipipilit natin. Char, hindi natin pipilit. Have you took the UPCAT? I applied in 2020, guys, and I studied for 6 months. So, when I applied, when I was, like, entering a review center, biglang nag-start yung pandemic. So, imbes na face-to-face, naging online yung review center namin. Tapos, mga March yun. Wow, thank you for the Mishka Teddy Bear G. Thanks, you're back. Tapos, nung guys, diba, naghihintay kami. March pa lang, nasuspend na. Hinihintay namin kasi August dapat yung USTET. So, we were waiting from March to August and we were like, oh, malapit na yung USTET. USTET yung mauna dapat nun. Tapos, they were like, oh, USTET. Pag nag-cancel yung USTET, nag-cancel siya. Lahat na sila nag-cancel. So, kala namin mag-end yung pandemic at around August, but it didn't end. The formula is pi is equal to 180, okay? Pi is equal to 180 degrees. So, when you turn radians, but, oh yeah, okay, Lex R. Radians to degrees. You have to substitute pi is equal to 180. Okay? 410. I'm not 410. That's crazy. Kabit ni Aeropew. I'm 5'4 or 5'3. 5'4. Can you discuss the Pythagorean identities? Okay, we can do that as well. Do I look short? I don't look short, bro. I'm not short. Super late. It's okay, Wendell. We're still in number 1. Saan nanggaling yung 180? Given siya, guys. Okay? This is forever given. Hindi siya kinukuha. It's a fact of the world. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Basta yan na siya. Miss Trigo Tutor na po kayo. We teach all math. Okay? All math. Postulates. So, pag 2 pi, it will be 360. Yes, good job. Okay? So, they said, for example, convert 2 pi into degrees. So, 2 pi is a radians form, right? So, all you have to do is 2 times 180 will give you 360 degrees. Okay? Do we get it? Say gets if gets, and not gets if not gets. And then, we can do another grade 8 to grade 11. Alam ko grade 7 to grade 11. Or grade 7 to grade 10. Okay, gets. Who doesn't get it? All you have to do is change the pi into 180. Okay? 711. Yes. Okay, who doesn't get? I'm waiting for somebody to say not gets. Okay, gets pa rin. Thank you for the, G, thanks. Si Santa Claus, sabi. Okay, gets. Maroon book? No, this is a different book. Okay, SS, what will you SS? Magulo siya. Here. There. I'll give another example, okay? Let's give another example until we get it. Sana di malimutan. Okay, you have to remember, guys. That's the thing about the UPCAT. Okay, did you see the one I posted on my TikTok? Did you guys see the TikTok I posted? And do you have questions about it? So, that's what... Okay. Do you have questions on that number? Yes. What's degree to radians formula? Okay, degree to radians. Ay, sorry, baligtad. Degree to radians. Let's put it over here. Degree to degree to my shortcut. Do you always convert pi to 180? Yes, when you're doing radians to degrees, okay? Degree to radians naman. All you have to do is multiply n degrees times pi over 180. N degrees times pi over 180. Okay, let's color that in. Don't ask how we got this, okay? It's just a fact of the world. Durian? What are we looking at? Oh, thank you for the durian, G. Thanks, I didn't see it. No, why would you send when I wasn't looking? You have to wait for me to be looking at the screen. Thank you for the heart, M. I didn't see. That's so crazy. I wanted to see it. What does it look like? Isa pa. Okay, wait. Okay, let's give an example of it. I know, it's so cute. Oh, thank you, G. Thanks. That's crazy. Thank you, G. Thanks. I hope that's not your parents' money. Are you late, Sai? We just started. Okay, I'll give you an example, guys. Let's give an example. Let's give an example. Ang rich naman. Sana all rich. 150. 150 degrees, guys. 150 degrees. How do we turn this into radians? Multiply by pi over 180. That's crazy. Pi over 180. How do we simplify this? Simplify. Simplify. What is their common? It's 3, right? 30. So this is 5. And this becomes 9. What does this become? 6. 6. Right? 5 over 6. So that's equal to 5 pi over 6 radians. Okay? 5 pi over 6 radians. Do we get that? Anyone attest something? Okay, we get that. Okay, do you want another example? Pa SS? Okay, SS the two formulas. These are the two formulas. Okay, while you SS, how's it 5 and 6? We divide both of them. Radian to degrees. We did do radian by degrees, okay? All you have to do is substitute. Pi is equal to 180, okay? Pi is equal to 180. Paano nga po mag-solve pag radicals? Okay, radicals is long. I made a whole video on it on somewhere on the YouTube. Am I lagging? Reference angles? Okay. Anyone from Bicol? Not I'm finding UPCAT mates. What next? Do we do more examples of this? Hello, Jam. Technically, we just started, so you're not really that late. Yung equivalent to blah blah naman po. What is the equivalent? Saan yun? Saan yung equivalent? More? Okay, let's do one more example. Let's do one example here. Hindi pa siya next number dano. They want one more example. So, another example. Let's try 5 pi over 6. 5 pi? 5 pi over 6. How do we turn this into all you have to do is turn this pi, change the pi into 180, okay? Change the pi into 180. We can divide 180 divided by 6. What's 180 divided by 6? That's 30, okay? 30 times 50 is equal to 150 degrees, okay? 150 degrees. So these two are equal. See what we did? We baligtad it, okay? Equivalent fractions po na may variables. It's equivalent fractions. What's equivalent fractions? Yung sa degree to radians, how po nakuha si 5 and 6? You divide both by 30. 150 divided by 30. 180 divided by 30 is equal to 5 is equal to 6. Okay? SS gets kahit paasa. What does that mean? What does that mean, Delta? Lagi po ba meron siyang common factor? Usually yes, okay? Usually yes, kasi nagmamadali tayo sa UPCAT. Pythagorean identities. Okay, let's see if we need that on number 2. Or shall we go through the Pythagorean identities again? Hello, Sai. Guys, make sure to share the live, okay? So that more people can come in. Kinakabahan, same. It's okay, guys. You still have 8 days. My brother studied 5 days before the exam. Thank you for sharing the live. Uriel, Hannah, Dulcet, Jibe, Salvatore. Sa 30 po palagi divide. No, it's the GCF nila. Okay? Hinanap ko lang yung GCF nila. Or kung saan sila pwede i-divide. Okay? Pythagorean identities. Okay. And Cell, and Uriel, and Raven, and Hayes, and Chopao. Arum, Nin, for sharing the live. Not everybody sharing the live. Mala 6:30 am. It's okay. Okay, let's do Pythagorean identities, everybody. Pythagorean identities. We have an example like that, okay? Nasaan ba yung Pythagorean identities? Here are the identities, okay? So, here are some of the identities. Do you know these ones? Mental math, kinda, but just like a bit. Yes, it's on my IG shop, pal. Allowed ba cycle? Bawal kahit anong calculus sa UPCAT, guys. Thank you, James and Anadol Sit for sharing the live. Derivatives, we don't need derivatives, guys. You should post tips. Okay, I was gonna do that tonight. Okay, I'm gonna post tips tonight. I was thinking tips on how to answer things quickly. Like, cause there are questions with quick that can be solved quickly. Pamahiin? What's a pamahiin? Wala po bang differentiation? Wala, guys. May differentiation ba sa grade 11? I mean, meron. Onte. Pero, paano malaman doon kanina kung divide sa 180 or hanapin common? I-divide talaga siya sa 180, pero hinanap natin yung common para mas madali siyang ma-divide. Okay? If wala siyang common, tsaka mo siya i-divide by 180. And in its entirety. Hindi kasama yung chain rule, guys. Sa STEM lang meron nun. Kawawa naman yung ibang, Walang calculus, I believe. No limits and derivatives. Number 1, ano bang number yung sinagutan ko? Wait lang, let me look at the Number 1 yung sinagutan ko, diba? Okay, so these are you just have to memorize these, okay? Memorize this. And then quotient identities. Okay, I don't remember that. And then you have to remember these, okay? So, how do we use this? We can apply this in examples. Thank you, AJ, for the rose. And Malak here. Ang dami. Madami yan, guys. Kailangan nyo siya i-memorize. Ito, this is important. I don't think this is important. Oh, wait. No. This is important, this one. And then, these are important. Okay? So, that's called the theta, okay? Yung theta is just a symbol for a degree. Hindi given yung degree minsan. I mean, dito. Kaya siya theta. Okay? Theta. Theta. Palakasan na lang ng guardian angel. Mag-aral tayo ngayon, guys. Even though we're kind of slow right now. Okay, have you screenshotted? Because we need to memorize this. Okay? Anong tawag dun sa parang zero? It's a theta. Pa-rate ng UPCAT. Nico, what's your rating on the UPCAT? Multiple choice ba lahat ng exam? I think yes. Ba't kasi nagka-COVID? Wala tuloy alam sa Trigo. Pwede from the top. Wala pa tayong tinuturo. Okay, maghanap mo. Yes, difficulty daw. Hello, Ethanol, you're back. Hello, everybody. Okay, let's find a question, okay? Let's find a question about it. Asan na yun? May tanong dito eh. Ito, okay? So, let's look at this question, right? Fill in the blank. How would you answer this if you don't know the trigonomic identities? So you can't answer this without the identities. So the identity we need here is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? This is an identity. There's no other way for you to know it without memorizing it. Okay? So just memorize this entire thing. Now, we need to manipulate this. How do we know na ito yung identity na gagamitin natin? How do we know? Kasi mayroong cos squared, may cos squared dito, mayroong sine squared, may sine squared dito. So, anong gagawin natin? Yes, how do you know if ito yung kailangan? Based sa kung ano yung meron yung loob. Okay? So, I'll give another example later to find the others. Okay? To use the others. Yes, ito nga yung question last time. We're just trying to show people. I can't find another one eh. Transpose, yes. So, what we have to do, guys, is manipulate this equation just like your ex manipulates you. The same joke we made probably like 3 times already. I-upload ba ni ating... Hindi ko pa na-upload, but I will upload it once we hit 3K. Have we hit 3K? We haven't hit 3K. I'm holding the replays hostage. Let me see. Oh, I can't click it. Hala, ayaw maklik. $2.91. Mag-tour science? No, not science. You should study science on your own, guys. Cause, yes. Hindi ko pa na-post yung kagabi. Hello, Shayon. Mahirap ba dyan, physics? Physics and chem yung pinakamahirap since madaming formula. Okay, hindi siya katulad ng bio. I think bio is the easiest and earth science. Bio earth science is the easiest. Okay, let's continue. So, how do we manipulate this? So, kailangan maiwan si sin x, sin theta, okay? How do we leave sin theta alone? Kailangan ma-isolate si sin dito. So, i-transpose natin si cosine to the other side. What? That will become sin, what? What? What do you mean, what are we eating? Hmm? Who? We're gonna eat KFC. Might just eat here. Might just eat here. They're coming 2 p.m.
So you're gonna go out and come back at
No, I might just stay here and wait for them to come.
So KFC only if you're going out?
Yes. There. KFC there.
If you're going KFC, can you like buy something?
No.
Okay.
If we go out, we might order.
Okay. But if you're gonna order out, I'll sell it.
Okay, go. Bye. Why are you asking me now, my brother?
Can you use your mic?
Okay.
Bye.
Buyers, bye. Eto na. May project pa kami. Bye! No review challenge. That's crazy. I'm sorry. Okay. So tomorrow, guys, I might not have a live because my friends are coming over. But it's my high school friends. And they're also good. They're good in chem and physics kasi engineering sila. So I was thinking pipilitin ko sila na mag-chem or physics tayo. Like, try lang nila sagutan. Pero, I will let you know, okay? Just abang the live if ever. I will let you know. Maybe on IG I might announce. Ano topic? Pilitin ko. Diba? Sayang yung alam nila. Chemical engineering kasi yung iba dun. Chemical, may civil engineering. Or if not review live though. Like, you can just ask them questions about their courses. Okay? Thank you, Yesha, for the coffee. I didn't see it. Pilitin. Enough na po ba kung dito na ako nag-review? Walang review on my own? You have to review on your own hooks, okay? We're not reviewing enough. You have to do science on your own as well. These reviewers, Naya, if you're new here, are on my IG, okay? They came from a drive that I got a long time ago. Hello, Lian. Yes, come back later. Okay, so let's continue. Now, how do we turn this sine squared into just sine? How do we go from sine squared to sine? Ano course ko? I'm in 4th year management engineering. What do you mean you don't know? How sine squared? How do you go from squared to not squared? Yes, square root. Good job, Potato Man and Mochi. So, all we have to do is square root both sides. Yes, squared both sides. Happy face said. Nawala na ako signal. Ba't kayo lag? Ako ba? I'm not lag though. Okay, let's continue. So, we square root both sides, everybody. And what happens when we square root this side? what happens when we square this side? It just removes the square sign, okay? Oh, arithmetic sequence, we can do that right now. So that becomes sine, okay? Sine theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared. And as you can see, equal na siya dito, okay? Equal na siya dito. So, ano yung kulang? The kulang is 1, okay? Yung kulang ay 1. Did we understand that? Yes, kaya pa yun ng 8 days, okay? As long as you stick around here, go watch the replays, study science on your own because you need science. This is the entire solution. Para saan yung theta? Para siyang x. So, theta is just a variable. Symbol lang siya. Kasi theta is any degree, right? Because in Trigo uses degrees. So, hindi given yung degree dito kasi identity lang siya. Okay? You need okay, arithmetic. Okay, hanap tayo ng arithmetic sequence. Why is everybody lagging? Can I divide by theta? 2 theta. Oh no, I'm lagging too. Wait. It lagged, guys. Okay, while we find arithmetic sequence. Ano ba yung arithmetic sequence? Let's look for it here. I'm not sure if may arithmetic sequence dito. Hanap tayo. Tell me if you find arithmetic sequence. Problem solving. Ooh, I want word problems. Do you not want word problems? Problem solving. Asan yung arithmetic? Arithmetic. Logarithmic. I don't want logarithms. Word problems. Wait, we promised the other person arithmetic, but if it's not here, you have to give me a after arithmetic. Wait, where is the arithmetic? Is it number series? I think it's number series, right? Basic math. Let's go to page 18. Okay, yes. Arithmetic progression. Okay, here we go. So let's go through this. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers which each term after the first is obtained by adding a fixed number. So the fixed number is called the common difference, okay? Let me just crop this. It's called the common difference. Okay, here. So it's called the common difference. Common difference is defined by D, okay? So for example, what we have to find the common difference, itong una, dito sa unang example, all you have to do is minus in between each one. So 1 to 6, what's the difference? It's 5, okay? From 6 to 11, what's the difference? It's 5. From 11 to 16, the difference is 5, and so on. So we know the next number. What would the next number here be? What's the next number after 16? Yes, N-I-N. Is that N-I-N or N-N-N-N? Yes, Nin and Koli and Juju and Delta and everybody, yes. So it is 21. Ganun lang yung arithmetic sequence, okay? So the difference between sequence is pag comma, puro comma na sila. Comma lang. 1, 6, 11, 16, 21. Pero pag series siya, it adds up, okay? So 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus 16 plus 21. Okay? Mahina daw signal. Okay. So now let's do the second one. So what is 4 minus 4 is to 1? You have to minus 3. 1 to negative 2, that's minus 3. 2 to negative 5 is minus 3. So what's the next one here? What's the next digit here? After negative 5, it is, yes, Kat and Shikimori, it's negative 8. Okay? Yes, Fiona, Haha, Cha, Delta, Sky, Spark, Margaret, Denise, Irish. Okay, now let's try this one. Ooh, this one's harder. How do you go from 5 to 12 plus 4p? So basically, all you have to do to get to the next number is to minus 12 plus 4p minus 5. Okay? Ayun yung gagawin mo. So, what will you get? 7 plus 4p. Okay? 7 plus 4p. Ako ba yung lag? It's not lagging on my end though. Transpose 5? We did not transpose 5. What I did is minus ko lang para makuha yung difference nila. Okay? Okay, 7 plus 4p. Okay. Sila lag. Masama. Can you do solving for questions that has question? Oh, we do that yesterday, Tio. Has a solution set. Ang gagawin mo lang dun is ipapasok mo siya sa equation. So, 7 plus 4p. So, what is the next number here? You just add 7 plus 4p is equal to, oh no, 26 plus 12. Hintayin nyo lang bumalik. Let's wait for it to come back. My hair is dry. 26, yes, 26 plus, it's not 4p. 26 plus 12p. Naputol. I will put it, Mary Grace. Lagay ko siya sa G drive ko. Ayan. Nawawala nga siya, guys. Pero bumabalik din siya. Parang ikaw. Bumabalik. Okay, let's continue. Hala, si Araw na to. Anong vibal ba yan, Nico? Okay, so let's see. If A denotes the first term of an arithmetic and D is the common difference, then the formula is A plus n minus 1 D. Okay? So, yung formula for the nth term is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. Okay? So, for example, dito sa unang-una dito, 1, 6, 11, 16, 1, 6, 11, 16. What is the 50th term? Okay? What is the 50th term? How do we find that? First, let's find what is the first term. A sub 1 is the first term. So, A sub 1 is, what is A sub 1? What is the first term in the sequence? Hello to the 500 people here. Welcome to the live. Ngayon lang ba kayo na-notify? It took 40 minutes for them to get notified. Okay, yes, the answer is 1. What about what is the common difference D? Common difference D, again, all you have to do is this one minus this one. Okay, so that's 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Yes, it's 5. Good job, Eldon. 0. Skirtizi, Leo, Eo, Eclipse. Okay, it's 5. And what is n minus 1? So n is equal to 50 because we're looking for the nth or the 50th term. Yes, Nathan, Yusuke, and Yusuke. That's equal to 49. 1 plus 49 times 5. And then, so the 50th term of this sequence is equal to 49 times 5, which is 250 minus 5, 245, plus 1 is equal to 246. Okay? Got it? Did we get that? Did we understand? Did we get? Or do you want another example? Do you want another? Oh, ito pala yung formula. Inunahan ko siya. Yes. Pwede pa ulit? Okay, another example. Let's do another example. Okay, let's do the second one here. 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5. 4, 1, negative 2, negative 5. Someone give me a single, a number. Someone give me a number. Negative 3. Ayoko na po. We're 72. Okay, Shikimori said 72. Let's look for the 72nd term. What is the 72nd term? Ang laki naman nun. So, all you have to do is get A of 72 is equal to A sub 1. What is A sub 1? What is A sub 1? A sub 1 is equal to, nauna si Shikimori, guys. 4, yes, everybody is correct. Good job. That's 4. Plus n minus 1 times D. What is D? What is D here? What is D here? 4 lang po yung n. D is, it's not positive 3, it's negative 3, okay? Paano natin malalaman? You have to minus the second term minus the first term, okay? So that's 1 minus 4 is equal to negative 3, okay? So yung difference niya is if pababa yung number, dapat negative ang kanyang common difference, okay? So that's plus What's n minus 1 is 71 times negative 3. That would be 210, 213. No. 213. 4 minus 213 is equal to negative 209. Okay? Negative 209. Gets or not gets? Gets. Okay, so that is basic arithmetic sequence. Now let's look at this one. Find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression 10, 7, 4. What is a sub 1? What is a sub 1? Okay, SS daw muna. Sum naman. Okay, wait lang. Okay. Okay, 10. Sorry. 10 is a sub 1. 10 plus n minus 1 is 29. 29 times, what is d? What is d? 10, 7 is negative 3. Negative 3. That's 10 times negative 3. So, that's equal to 90, 87. 10 minus 87 is equal to negative 77. Negative 77, as you can see here. Okay, we got it right. Oh no! Let's wait for it. Negative 77. Let's wait for it to come back. It will always come back. Wag na daw mag-review. Kakasimula pa lang natin. Do finding the n. Okay. Do finding the n. Let's see if there's an example. Eto. Which nth term, right? This says, what is the nth term of the sequence 4, 7, 10 is 52. So, let's use the formula here. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? What are the things we know? Ipasok muna natin sa formula yung mga alam natin about sa given. So, what is a sub 1? It's 4, right? A sub 1 is 4. So, we put 4 here. And then, what is the difference? The difference is 3. Okay? The difference is 3. And then, we don't know what a sub n is. Oh, a sub n is 52. So, 52 is equal to 4 plus, hindi natin alam kung pang ilang n siya. So, n minus 1 times 3. Valo Live. I haven't played Valo in so long, but I want to play. Yes. Okay. So, here's the question. Which term of the sequence is 52? Now, we just have to solve for n. Okay? So, we transpose 4 to this side. That will be 48 is equal to, and distribute the n here. 3n minus 3. Transpose again to the other side. That will be 51. 51 is equal to 3n. Divide both sides by 3. That will give you 17. Okay? 51 over 3 is 17. Yes, Shikimori. Good job, Ken and Juju and Allegria and Cherry. Yes, I think. One more. Okay, let's see another example. So we got 17 here. Hello, wala nang example, guys. Let's go on to sum. Okay, sum. Can we go on to sum? Can you do sum? Yes. Oh, we'll get there, Coco. Okay, we're going slowly. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're so close to 83k, everybody. Hello, CM. Thank you for the gift. How are you? Reference angles. Yes, we can do that too later, Salvatore. May conic sections, meron sa book na to, pero alam ko hindi na kasama sa UPCAT. Please post on YouTube. We'll post on YouTube once we hit 3K. Are we at 3K yet? Let me see. Make sure to subscribe, everybody. Why can't I click it? Let me see. Wait. Okay, we just need like 80 people to subscribe. When was the last replay I did? It's 2 days ago. Okay, I'll upload the rest tonight. Okay? Na-download ko na siya. Need ko lang siya i-upload. I was just busy. How do you quickly divide and multiply? You just have to get used to it. Cramming the UPCAT, that's crazy. But it's okay, guys. It's okay to cram the UPCAT as long as you're trying to study, okay? It's better than giving up. Saan ako yung 48 kanina? 48 is itong 52. Itong 52, nilipat natin siya dito. Pag nilipat siya dito, it's minus 4. Okay? 52 minus 4 will give you 48. Cramming math 8 days before the UPCAT. It's okay, guys. My brother crammed it 5 days before the UPCAT. Yes, we will pass. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Hindi pala kita. Sorry. I have 20 videos. Let's see. Till what time? Maybe 11. I'm kinda sleepy. Ate, nakasubscribe na lahat na account ko. Di ko ma-share. Sky Spark, that's crazy. Go share it now. You should share it. That's so crazy of you. Hanggang 10 lang. I'm also sleepy. Mga grade 9. My grade 9. Yes, there's grade 9 shit. Okay, let's continue, guys. Sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. So this is another formula you have to memorize. This is the sum is equal to n2 of n plus n, and so basically what this says is you just have to get how many terms there are divided by 2 and then the sum of the first and the last term. Okay, let's have an example. If a boy will save 25 first day, 27, 29, and so on, how many days will it take him to save 880 pesos? And how many days when we sum this up, plus 880. Okay, 880. Now, how do we do this? Let's do it slowly. All we have to do is first, let's put into the equation what we know we have. S of n is equal to the sum. So let's make that S of n is equal to n over 2 a1 plus an. Diba may isa pang version yung formula na to? Wait lang. May isa pang version yung formula where it doesn't use a sub n. Yes. What is the other version? Mas mahaba. Oh yeah. Mas mahaba siya kasi we know that a sub n is also equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Oh. Okay. So we need to know this formula as well. Okay? So, since we know a sub n from up here is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, ilagay natin siya sa formula dito. Okay? S sub n is equal to n minus n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? Gets ba so far? Ngayon ko lang na-realize, really? Gets. My science reviewer. Okay. Dalawa ng a sub 1. So, magiging 2a sub 1 siya. Okay? Do we get? Para saan yung s sub n? S sub n means the sum. Okay? Sum of n terms. Okay? May answer key. Wala. Itong reviewer na to, walang answer key. Pero yung ibang reviewer din meron. Hindi po ba yan yung last term? Yes, it's the same thing as a sub n. So, we changed it into this formula, right? Because we know a sub n is equal to this thing. So, pinalitan lang natin yung formula. Yes, it's a sub 1 times 2. So, etong a sub 1, gawin natin siyang 2a sub 1. Okay? 2a sub 1. Now that we know that, 2a sub 1 siya kasi it's a plus 1. Okay, do you get that, fake color? Thank you, Loeb Daya. I passed the UPCAT. I passed UP 4 years ago. That's for everybody else too. Do people think I'm taking the UPCAT? That's so crazy, isn't it? Okay, let's continue. So, what do we know about this? About our series so far? What is a sub 1? What do we know about a sub 1? I passed industrial engineering. By the way, guys, the UPCAT, the avoids already announced like the new, yes, 25. So 2 times 25 plus n minus 1 times d. What is d, guys? We know what d is. What is our d? Our d is 2. Did you get 2? It's okay, Loebdaya. If you're new here, you can stick around if you want to. Okay, 2. Okay? 2 times 25. And what do we know about s sub n? Okay? Ano yung s sub n natin? Which is the sum na hinahanap natin. Ano yung sum na hinahanap? Yes, Kai. It's 880. Okay? 880 is equal to n over 2 times the entire thing. Okay. So, what do you notice? Yung ginawa natin is usually kasi sa tanong sa mga series na tanong, isang variable lang yung may iwan. Okay? So, isang variable yung hindi natin alam. Sa case na to, the question is, how many days? So, days is basically n. Okay? So, in this question, yung natirang variable is n. Yes? Okay, here naman yung natira is n din ba? N din yung natira kanina pala. Pero minsan yung nawawala is the difference, ganun. Anyway, so let's continue. So, the first thing I want to do is solve for this inside. Okay, let's solve for the inside. 2 times 25 is 50 plus, let's distribute this. That will give us 2n minus 2. Okay, 2n minus 2. And then yung 2n minus 2, ay yung minus 2 and 50, pagsama na natin siya. Hello, Ivy. That will make it 48. 50. 48 plus 2n. Okay? 48 plus 2n. Gets. What time will we end? Maybe 10:30. Okay. So now, we have n over 2 sa labas. Let's divide it by 2. Okay? Divide both by 2. And over 2. I-divide na natin siya by 2. Let's put it here. That would give us 24 plus n times n sa labas. Okay? So now we distribute n inside. That will give us n squared plus 24n. And then, remember, my 880 dito sa labas is equal to 880. Now, we continue. We have to solve n squared plus 24n minus 180 minus 880 is equal to 0. Okay? We equate it to 0, and now what are we gonna do? We're gonna factor it out. Okay? We have to factor it out. What are the factors of 880? Skip pa ganito. So real. Yes. You skip these, guys. You don't need to answer this. Stick to geometry. They're easier to answer quickly. Baka kaya siguro pumasa yung kapatid ko kasi, oh no, what happened? Because he likes jump. Okay. My shortcut, ako din inaantok na, what the frick. Is it worth it manghula? Yes. It's better to hula always, okay? 1 minute to answer this. Okay. It's better to hula. So, let's answer that. Let's still try to answer it, okay? N squared plus 24 n minus 880 is equal to 0. What are the factors of 880? It can be 44 and 20. Ooh, 44 and 20. This works, okay? Because we know that 44 minus 20 is equal to 24. So, that would be n minus 20. N plus 40 is equal to 880 pag minultiply. And then, pag inad mo sila, equal siya sa 24. So, this is equal to, n is equal to 20. And n is equal to negative 40. Now, we know, bawal siya maging negative because there is no negative n numbers. Okay? Oh, 44. Yes, 44. Sorry. And then, yeah, that's it. So, n is equal to 20. Okay? 44 siya. Sorry. Sleep na us. Inaantok din ako. Feel ko, like, ngayon pa kayo nag-give up sa UPCAT. Kung kailan malapit na yung ano. Yes, time-consuming mag-factorial. It's better to answer than leave blank, okay? Because when you answer, you still have 25% chance of choosing the correct answer. Sleep na. Sleep na pero manonood ng K-drama. So real. Tapos pag 2 a.m., na-review nyo naman yung sinusend kong TikTok. Ay, pinopost kong TikTok. Okay. We can end here. Even I'm drained by that. I'm gonna make a video on UPCAT tips and tricks. Pero yung tips and tricks ko lang dun. Do we want to end? Wait, I'll put up a poll. I will put up a poll, everybody. Poll start. Okay, happy face, another question. Or like, continue geometric. And sad face end. Sad face end, happy face, geometric progression. Geometric, happy face, sad face end. Or sad face like kwentuhan na lang. Like chika-chika. Or like ask questions na lang. I don't know. I'm sleepy. I've been sleeping at 3 a.m. and then waking up at 12. Ooh, happy face is still winning. Chika-chika. Chika. Let's rest. More? Do we want more? Oh, people stopped voting. 70 is to 50. Happy face continue. Sad face cry. Sad face cry. Sad face stop. Okay. Let's geometric. Let's do geometric. Do you mean geometry or geometric sequence? We can do one more. Or do you want to look for a question? Sleep na lang. Last na. Mahaba ba to? Or ito na lang sagutan natin, yung pangalawa. Feel ko mahaba din siya. Let her rest. Okay. Let's do one more question. Trigo. Let's find the trigo question. They want a trigo question. Let's go back to trigo. Kaya nga, wala pa tayong nasasagutan. Di ba 9 tayo nag-start? That's crazy. That's crazy. Maybe it's Friday kasi guys. You deserve to rest too, you know? Don't beat yourself up. Maybe you deserve rest. We can gaslight ourselves into thinking that, okay? Let's see. Trigo. Isang number lang nasagutan natin, guys. Okay, number 2. On a clock with an hour, minute, and second hands, the second hand is 10 cm long. Second hand is 10 cm long. In 15 minutes, the tip of the second hand travels the distance of x pi cm. Find the value of x. Ooh. I think 15 minutes. Okay. So, let's look at a clock, right? A clock is a circle. And the second's hand in 15 minutes travels a distance of x. So, second's hand is 10 cm. So, let's pretend ito yung ikot ng 10. So, 10 siya, right? So, how many, in 1 minute, does it go the entire way around? Answer yes or no. Does it go the entire way around if it's a second's hand? What the hell? No. 1 second, what did I say? Yes, it's yes, okay? So, in 1 minute, nakakaisang ikot, okay? 1 rotation for the second's hand, okay? 1 rotation for second's hand. Yes, okay? So, 1 rotation. So, in 15 minutes, it does 15 rotations, okay? 15 rotations. Now, the question is, what is the distance it travels? And what is the distance if this second's hand goes all the way around here? Can somebody tell me what this is called? What is this part of the circle? If you measure it. Yes, 2 pi, no? 2 pi r. Circumference. Good job, ID Hernandez, Bobby, and Sis. It's not diameter, yes, Eldon. There, yeah, it's called the circumference, okay? So, given the second's hand is 10, radius niya is 10, okay? So, what is the circumference? Is 2 pi r. Memorize your formulas, guys, okay? 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. R is 10. 2 pi times 10. is equal to 20 pi. 20 pi is equal to 1 rotation. So, ilang rotation daw? There are 15 rotations. 15 rotations is equal to 20 pi times 15, which is equal to what? 15 times 20, or 15 times 2 lang. 15 times 2 is 30. Add back the 0, that will be 300 pi. Letter C. Letter C. 300, yes. Letter C. SS, okay, SS. SS. Yay, C is for Christ. Yeah, C, if you guess C, it always comes up. It's not 200, it's 300, okay? Which quadrant does this lie? Okay, we can answer this one. Ate smile. Why? Do I look depressed right now? Does anyone know what app they use? This is the Samsung Notes app, okay? I use a Samsung tablet. UPCAT is the UP College admission test. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, please make sure to follow. And your name will pop up here. It will say you will pass the UPCAT. What reviewer? This is the PTS reviewer. It's the 4th story in my IG highlights. Okay, go to my highlights. It's for free. Okay, let's do this one. Let's turn this into degrees, everybody. What is this into degrees? 19 over 6 pi. Change pi into 180. How to apply sa avoidance? Next year pa kayo, guys. Next year pa kayo mag-apply. Okay? 180 divided by 6 is equal to 30. 30 times 19 is equal to 19 times 3 is 57. And then add back the 0. Okay? 500. Paano nyo nalaman na 180? Pi is always equal to 180. Okay? Going back to our number 1, from radians to degrees, you have to substitute pi for 180. Okay? Degree to radians, multiply n degrees times pi over 180. Okay? Just look at this formula. Avoidance application, guys, isasubmit nyo lang yung grades nyo. So, kung ako sa inyo, since grade 12 na kayo ngayong SEM, grade 12 na kayo this year, you have to join as much contests as you can. Okay? Join extracurricular, be presidents in orgs, and then try to get high grades for grade 12. Kasi grade 12 yung kailangang report card. Avoidance is my scholarship. Okay? So, I'm an Atenean scholar. I'm a full scholar in Ateneo, and Avoidance pays for my tuition. Yes. So, next year pa kayo mag-Avoidance scholarship. Mga 5 yung nagtanong sa akin, pero di ko alam kung ilan yung pumasa. Usually, when people ask me about the scholarship, they pass. Like, once you get shortlisted. Any org po ba? Yes, pwede naman. Pwede orgs outside school. As long as considered siya as extracurricular. Like, entrance exam, yes. You should apply for the entrance exam, guys. It's called the ACET. Ateneo College Entrance Exam. Okay? And then I can see you there. Okay? Go to Ateneo. I will see you there. Go to the ACET, everybody. Hello, Jay, sir. Happy birthday. Age problems? Okay. What are we doing? Oh, let's answer this. 570 degrees, okay? 570 degrees. So, we know that a circle, one entire circle is equal to 360 degrees, right? So, what you have to do is basically get the reference angle of this, okay? You're trying to find the reference angle of this. But what I would do is I would minus 360. What happens when you minus 360? That's 210. And where does 210 lie? On the 360 degree. So, this is 270. So, this is 180. So, nasa third quadrant siya. Okay? So, ang alam ko lang is memorize ko yung normal circle, which is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay? So, minus ko lang yung 360 kasi pag umikot na siyang buo, balik siya sa simula. Right? Ay, sorry. Ang bilis. Ulit. We can do it again. So, the question is, which quadrant does it lie in? Why did you subtract 360? Because when you turn 360 degrees, you are back from where you started, okay? You're back from where you started. Does that make sense? So, yes, the whole rotation. reference angle, pero reference angle is always acute, so it might not be technically right. Hindi siya reference actually, may tawag sa kanya. Iba yung tawag sa kanya, hindi reference. Full rotation, yes. And then, yes. Third quadrant, yes, third quadrant. Because, diba, ito yung normal circle. Let's look at the normal circle here. Alam natin na yung taas dito ay 90. 90 ito. 90. This is 180. This is 270. Ang nakuha natin ay 210. So, saan maglala yung 210? Nandito siya sa gitna somewhere. Somewhere in between here, which is in the third quadrant. Okay? Coterminal. Yes, it's called coterminal. Yes, good job, guys. Thank you for the gift, Clarence and Eggy. Yes, coterminal. So, the answer is letter C. Wow! Ngayon, ang talino niyong lahat. It's okay, don't be pressured, guys. Make sure to just ask questions if you need. What if we get 270? What quadrant? It doesn't fall on a quadrant. It falls on the y-axis. Okay? This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Y-axis. X-axis. Still an average student. It's okay, guys. More jump. Hindi na kinaya. Same. Pag wala na kayo ma-absorb, yes, I'm in college, Xavier. I'm in 4th year college. I applied to 8 schools and passed the 8 schools first choice on all of them. But they're just based on my grades, so ref angles, okay. We can do reference angles. I shall teach reference angles. Chem, we might try tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna force my friends to answer chem tomorrow. Or physics. I will try. Because they are smart people. They're from UP, guys. Babasbasan nila kayo. My friends are from UP and yung isa sa UST. And then lahat kami Aboite scholars. Yung isa UPLB. If gusto nyo din mag-UPLB. Thank you for the gift, AJ. What was that? Oh, next legends. I gave the answer. What's the best letter to... If you don't know, the best letter is C for Christ. Okay? C for Christ. If you don't believe in Christ, A for atheist. Char. Patasan ng lapis. Magtatasa tayo ng lapis on August 9, okay? We'll make sure to go live on August 9. Yes, best friend goals. Ano grades ko dati? Mataas grades ko, guys. Average ko ng grade 12 was 97 nung first sem, tas second sem was 98. Pero online class yun, so people can say it was a scam. But I worked my ass off, okay? So, maybe it was a scam. It was technically easier than it should be. Pero, nahirapan naman kami ng grade 9, grade 8, grade 9. So, not the scam. Online, does anybody even consider online classes real? You know what I'm saying? Like, ako, yung grade 12, hindi ko naman kailangan yung lessons ng grade 12, okay? Pero you guys, you lost your grade 8. You lost grade 9 pala. Grade 9 is so essential to your learning. And you got into the pandemic at grade 9. So, all the lessons in grade 9 you didn't absorb. So, that's too bad for you. I like grade 9. Yes, agree. Course ko is management engineering. Yes, grade 9 and grade 8, grade 9. I'm taking online classes. Grade 9 is so sayang, guys. Like, in grade 9, I cried because my prof was so scary. My teacher. Like, trigonometry in grade 9 was so scary. Nasayangan ang daming formula na useful. Yes. Pwede nyo pa rin naman siya i-memorize up to now. Coping hard. It's okay, guys. You still have 8 days to learn. So, that's still a lot. So, yes. What if grades are below 95? Would that drag down the UPG? As long as it's over 87, I think. Okay? Move on. Move on to what? The next question? Are we doing the next question? Okay. We want to do the next question though. Next question. We're gonna use SOHCAHTOA. Okay? So, Toa. Kala ko ba sleep na? Oh, reference angle. Sige. Reference angles muna. Kasi, mas madali yung reference angles. Okay? So, I have my own formula for reference angles. So, basically, ang ibig sabihin ng reference angles, guys, is ito yung gitna, right? So, a reference angle, you guys can leave if you want, okay? But today's Friday naman, so just chill out here. Reference angle is the acute angle na katapat ng real angle. Real angle na given. Okay? So, for example, the question is, what is the reference angle of 310? Okay? 310. Pretend gitna yan. Okay? 310. So, what you have to look at is kung gaano kaliit yung angle na to. So, the angle which cuts to this middle, the x-axis, right? Yung angle that is formed between the x-axis and the line that you form, okay? So, no, it's not 130. It's this angle, this small angle, okay? So, diba ito yung this and this. So, it should always be smaller than 90, kaya siya acute angle. So, what is the angle formed between this and the x-axis? Yes, it's 50. How did we get 50? Remember, if it's smaller than 360, so, alam natin na 360 to, diba? Because one full rotation is 360. So, you just have to minus 360 minus 310 is equal to 50. Okay? So, 50 is the reference angle. I think. Right? Yes, it should be lower than 90 degrees. Thank you, Nico, for pinning stuff. Okay, we get it. We get it. Let's give another example. What is the reference angle of 170 degrees? So 170 degrees, you should know. Good night, C. You should know where to put it, okay? You should know where to put it. So it would fall around here, right? On top of 80. So 180 degrees to, ito 170. So the angle formed by this sticking is 10 degrees. Yes. So everybody gets it. Salvatore, did you get that? We can move on to the next question if everybody gets it. Bye, Mop. If you guys are going, just say bye. Can a reference angle be... No, it has to be acute, okay? So, acute is less than 90. Right ang 90. Another one, okay? Okay, gets na daw. Let's do one more. 250. 250, where will 250 fall? Somewhere here. Because 270 ito. So, 250 ito. So, what would be the angle here? Right? So, that's 250 minus 20. It's not 20, guys. Okay, so this, okay, nalito yung mga tao. So, we have to put it in reference to this one, okay? In reference to this line. So, yung 180 yung tinitignan natin. Lagi natin titignan yung 180 and 360, okay? So, if in reference naman dito, y-axis na yan. Okay, so hindi yan yung titignan natin. Ito yung 20. So, ito yung tinitignan natin. So, all you have to do is 250 minus 180. Okay, ito yung tinitignan natin. 250 minus 180 is 70 degrees. Okay, good job, Mitch and Anne and everybody who came before. Shut up, Des, Sian, Shikimori, Lilies. Okay. Okay, gets. Do we have questions? Nakakatulutang na. Hoy, matutulog ba kayo? Hindi naman kayo matutulog pag in-end natin yung review. Yes, you can call me master. I'll watch your replay na lang. Okay, good night, Sky Spark, if you have to leave. Okay, we can end. Let me put up the poll. I'm also sleepy. So, let's see. Let's put up the poll and see if people want to leave. Restart. Okay. Happy if continue to the next number somewhere here. Or sad to stop. Sad to continue. Thank you for the goose, the duck. Thank you for the duck. That was so cute. AJ, thank you, AJ. And thank you, Josep. Also, guys, if you're new here, make sure to follow so your name comes up here. Can you answer similar geometric questions sa UPreviewer? Okay, I'll do one, Shikimori. Which number yan? Okay? Which number? Okay, I will not show it. Let's put it here on the side. Tell me what number. Oh, it's the UP reviewer. Don't look at it. What number do we want to answer? Look at the UP reviewer and tell me what number. Kaso ang hirap kasi, if kokopyahin ko yung mismong figure nila, halata na siya na kinuha ko siya from the reviewer. You know what I'm saying? Number 1? Number 1 in math? Hindi ba siya madali lang? Panalo ang smile. What's that? Sa live natin gawin. Number 1. Sige, Let me copy number 1 in my brain. 4/5, 10/4, 18/4. This is so hard. How will I memorize it? 4/5, 10/4, 18/4, x. Okay, I'll do it right now because y'all are crazy. Okay, we can bring back. Remember, 4/5, 4/5 times 10 raised to negative 4 plus 18/4 times 10 raised to negative 3. Okay, are we ready? Say ready if we're ready to answer this. Isn't this number 1? This number 1. Ready? Thank you, EXO. More sense. Thank you, Lay. And benignant lover and lovely. Okay. Iba-iba ba? Ito yung number 1 sa akin. Ito ba yung number 1 sa inyo? Ready to take a rest. Hala, ito yung number 1 dito, guys, sa nag-send sa akin. Hala kayo. Ito yung number 1 ko. Thank you for the fruit, friends, AJ. The things with the animation will never get old. They're so good. Thank you, AJ, for the gift. AJ, you send gifts, but you don't answer here in the chat. You should review too. Are you reviewing as well? Okay, let's answer this, guys. So, all you have to do to solve this is we should know what is this in fraction, in decimal, okay? What is 4/5 in decimal? I told you to memorize this long ago. That's 0.8, right? 0.8. Does everybody know that? Yes. Good job, Chui, Uk, and Delta. 0.8. Now, how do we multiply that? Okay. Do we get why it's 0.8? Why can't you type 0.8? Okay, yes, it's 0.8. How? You just have to memorize my list. Okay, Gladen, do you want to see the list? Why 0.8? Okay, if you guys are new here, this is the list. Okay, you have to memorize this. These are called simple fractions, and they will be used wherever you go sa UPCAT. Wherever you go. Here are the simple fractions. Comment SSD, Mary Grace, and everybody here. Comment SSD. So, when I say 1/2, alam na natin agad na 0.5 siya, okay? Thank you for the gift, Honey. Okay, gets mine SSD. Okay, so for example, yung 3/8, mahirap yan alamin if hindi mo siya memorize. So, 3/8 is equal to 0.375, okay? So, memorize nyo lang to. As in, yung ginawa ko to memorize this, okay, so you can screen record. So, what I did to memorize all of these is you go make flashcards, okay? Use Quizlet. I use Quizlet and then, yes, just memorize it, okay? So, ang ginawa ko is, yes, that's what I did, okay? Naka-green si ate. Is this green, this gray? Okay. Hello, Rihanna. Do you drink vitamins? That's such a weird question. Where are we? Okay, so let's continue. Pwede po ba i-divide yan? Pwede din. Divide 4 by 5, but that will take you longer, okay, Kauri? If you divide 4, divide by 5, that will give you 0 here. 40 divided by 5 is 8. That's why it's 0.8, okay? Ako yung green? I'm not green. Oh, no. Free na yung premium features. Oh. Okay, yes. So, what is 18/4? Let's first, this is a whole number, right? This is 9 over 2. You have the lowest term it lang, and 9/2 is just 9 divided by 2. Yes, Shikmar, it's 4.5. Okay? So, just know what 9 divided by 2 is. That's 4.5. So, what do we do with 0.8 and 4.5? We still have to multiply it by 10 raised to negative 4, and 10 times 10 is to negative 3. So, ano ba ibig sabihin? Anong green? I'm not green. Oh, was I green kanina? Okay. So, what we have to do is when it's 10 raised to negative 4, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is uusog si decimal place, okay? The number up here tells you how many times it moves. Yes, move to the left, okay? It moves. So, let's move this decimal place to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal place goes here, and all the missing numbers become 0, okay? Kaya siya pa-curve para malagyan mo siya ng 0 sa pagitan nila. Okay? Gets or not? Okay, keep asking. Do we understand what we did? Dahil raised to negative 4 siya, mamumove yung sa 10 siya imumove. Oh, no. Dito siya i-move. So, wag nyo pansinin itong 10, okay? Walang sense yung 10. Maghihintay pa ba? Okay. Now, let's look at the other one. Wow, AJ. Nag-chat na si AJ. Gets. Ganun lang pala yun. Yes, guys. Now, 4.5. Okay, 4.5. We have to move it. Let's move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal point here. Yung dalawang space becomes zeros. Okay? That becomes 0.00045. Okay? This is 0.00008. Okay, now how do we add this? Ipantay lang natin yung decimal place nila. That would give us 45 plus 8 is 13. 13, 1, 5, 0. Hindi sila pantay. Joke lang. Hindi sila pantay. Pantay ba sila? Hindi sila pantay. 0, 0, 8. So, this will be 8. Do you teach research? No. I hate research, bro. Okay, 5, 4, 5, 8. 0, 0, 0, point. Okay? Ang sarap ng feeling pag gets so real. Okay, 0.00458. Is that in the choices? I shall look at the choices. Don't look here. The answer is letter C. Letter C. Letter C, yes. C for Christ, guys. See, we got it again. Always choose C for Christ. Do you teach physics? Tomorrow, I'll tell my friends to teach physics, okay? But I will see. Grabe, ang tama ng C. Laging tama yung C, guys, okay? Okay. Paano po pag hindi sa 10 i-multiply? Lagi yan by 10, okay? Ang tawag dito ay scientific notation. Scientific, lagi yan by 10. So, hindi siya dapat mahirap, okay? The UPCAT is not hard. They're just testing how many techniques you know, okay? So, hindi ka nila papahirapan like 8 raised to negative 4. They wouldn't do that to you. Okay? It's always 10. Huwag kayo matakot. Madali lang siya. Ang kalaban nyo lang ay oras. Pati yung katabi nyo. Okay? Kaya i-distract nyo yung katabi nyo. Better po manghula? Yes. If hindi nyo alam, it's better to guess. Okay, guys? Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We do the live every day until the UPCAT. Every day hanggang, yes, tama rin ako. Yum burger. Bring yum burger to distract your... Paano po if correct minus wrong? It is right minus wrong, okay? So, I'll let you know about the UPCAT. So, UPCAT is right minus 0.25 wrong or 1/4 wrong, okay? So, ang ibig sabihin yan is pretend over 50 siya, tapos 30 yung tama nyo. 30 yung tama nyo, 20 yung mali na hinula nyo. So, you get 30 minus 1/4 times 20, which is 5. So, your score is 25. Okay? So, that's if lahat ng hula nyo ay mali. Okay? So, is it better to guess or to leave it blank? Kasi when you leave it blank, 0 lang, wala siyang minus, 0 lang siya. But it's still better to answer it because when you answer it, you have 25% chance of getting the correct answer. Ay, hindi nyo kita. Sorry. Ayan. Hula na lang. So, yes. Okay. What if yung 10 maging 6? Anong maging 6? Hindi magbabago yan. Asan na yung 10? 10 yan lagi. It's scientific notation. Okay? Anong next question? I thought we were gonna end. I thought we were done, everybody. Okay, wait. Pa-explain ulit. Okay, so again, explanation. Explanation. Let's look at it. Okay, right minus wrong, right? It's right minus 0.5 wrong. So when you get a 50 score, if it's over 50 and 30 yung tama nyo, 20 yung mali nyo, it would be 30. Yung computation ng score nyo is 30 since 1 point each yung correct. And then 1/4 times 20. So yung mali nyo na 20, i-divide by 4. And then that's equal to 5. That's equal to 5. So 30 minus 5 is 25. So kahit 30 yung natama nyo, 25 lang yung score nyo. Okay? So the other people will say, oh, I'd rather not. Kasi if you don't hula these 20 questions, edi 30 minus 0 lang yung score nyo. So your score is still 30, not 25. But it's better still to hula, especially if educated guess siya. Kasi you have 25%. 4 lang yung choices nyo, guys. There's A, B, C, D. You have 25% chance of getting the correct answer. Okay? So, that's still a big chance. So, i-shotgun nyo siya if hindi nyo siya alam. Pero if feel nyo malas kayo, wag nyo na sagutan. Okay? Leave it blank if you feel like malas kayo. What time tomorrow? Number 43. Okay, I'll look at it. Last number. Yes, trust your instincts. Pero ako, my instincts are always wrong. So, number 43. Mahirap to, guys. Wait. In the figure, AB is equal to EF. AB is parallel to EF.